Aunty.
That was a face of shock. Good morning, welcome everybody. Oh my goodness, I just dropped my new baby on the floor. That like a shock. I'm in shock right now. Can you imagine if it was broken? If it was broken. And she's so pretty. Brand chachis. And chachis with this one will not be second hand. Beautiful, isn't it? Yeah, my baby. Oh my goodness. Guys, if you have look at her daring me. She's like
Throw it on the floor.
Heart attack, I almost got dropping the other one. She's like, she's trying to hope that the old one drops on the floor. Can you imagine? Any other oh my god. This girl was controlling with her mind. That's not okay. I'm not dropping nothing no more. This is what it came with only a charger, not even the head. Now wow, these people are doing chin-chan. You know, it's instruction and the charger, that's it. Anyway, if you have not yet subscribed, please feel free to subscribe. Many more things, good things are coming your way. So please subscribe. If you have already subscribed, thank you. You don't need to subscribe another time. Thank you. So many fun videos, better quality. Just this back.